Alright, so I got my water turned on, and what we'll do now is I'll give you up a startup. So, 1 second. Shoes off. And what I do is I like to pop the engine hatch instead of putting my blower on to vent the exhaust fume. So I just pull that engine hatch up. And then right here, push the knob in. Let's see if I can just one-handed. Push the knob in, pull that in, that puts it in neutral, and turn her over. Again, I got a brand new battery put in just this month. We'll put it a little bit higher idle. And see, water temperature's good, so my impeller's working. I replaced the impeller about 2 years ago, 3 years ago, something like that. It's charging, oil pressure's good, idle's nice. Here's your tachometer. So we're good. There's a little depth finder. Just turn that on. And anyways, there you go.